Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put mermaid diagrams into your GitHub README. So let's go ahead and jump in. I've asked ChatGPT to give me some mermaid code for a diagram. I'm going to copy this code and then I'm going to go over to mermaid.editor.io and paste it in here. And we can see that there's a syntax error, which means that GitHub might have had trouble putting this in our README. So I'm going to fix that with AI. And now we can see a preview of our chart. I'll go over and take this code, go over to our README on GitHub, and edit it here through the UI. And then we can add our chart code in here. We have to make sure that it's wrapped in this triple tick mermaid. And then we can commit this. And now let's take a look at our chart. There we go. So that is a quick and easy way to ask ChatGPT, get a mermaid diagram, and then put it into your GitHub README. I will keep this video short. Hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.